Hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we're going to change this headlight bulb in my Toyota Tundra. So let's go ahead and dive in. First thing what you'll need to do is go ahead and pop the hood and then open it up. All right guys, once you've popped your hood, then you can go ahead and unplug it right here. This is your headlight. Go ahead and unplug your headlight right there. Not too bad. You can squeeze the ends a little bit to kind of get some traction on that. And then you're going to remove this cover. Mine says to pull up. Yep, and then once you kind of get it going, might have to wiggle it around a little bit to kind of get it going, but pops off just like that. Remember how it goes on there, top. Then there's this like little harness right here that's just kind of holding the bulb in. You're just gonna press that in and slide it around. There you go, the bulb comes right out. Nice, and this is the one that's messed up. Let me go get the one that's gonna change it. All right, now that you got another bulb, and I'll put this bulb link in the description as well if you're interested, but you're gonna line these little prongs up right here with the kind of the socket right here in the light. You can kind of look in there and see how they line up. And then you just put this clip back on it. Again, hook it back around in that little harness right there. Once you've done that, you can put this piece back on. Then, after you put that harness piece, you can go ahead and plug it back in. Make sure everything is tight. All right, let's test it out. Well, went ahead and turned the lights on and everything works just fine. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. You can also check out another video right there, and I'll see you over there.